Hello everybody, the Fangirl that cooks is collabing with KK. It's his time to shine with his potato galette. Side note, I have no idea why they call it that. Look at the book and look at the image from Google. KK, stop trying to be fancy for Magicam. That's a hash brown. Anyways, I'll be showing you guys how to make the galette yourself with the help of my friends and Yurei, who helped translate all the recipes in Fanbook Volume 3. Please check out their YouTube channel and note in the description below. Let's get started! For one galette that's about 12 to 13 centimeters in diameter or 4.7 inches to 5 inches, you'll need 2 medium potatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/3 of a tablespoon of salt, a pinch of pepper. And for the sides, you'll need the following. Note, the recipe didn't say how many of each, but if you want to follow the image in the cookbook, I'd say it's about 1 egg, 2 leaves of lettuce, 2 cherry tomatoes, 1/4 of a bell pepper, about 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now let's cook. Step 1. Peel the potatoes and cut into thin strips.
His gloves are a little big on him. Look.
Oh. Sprinkle them with salt and pepper and mix. Step 2. Heat a frying pan and spread the butter. Evenly spread out the potatoes from step 1 and press them down occasionally while frying. Step 3. Fry on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, then flip and cook until nicely browned. Step 4. Once plated, draw Kalim's turban pattern with ketchup on one side. And no, it's not because I want everybody to draw something Kalim related, it's because in the vignette, he had to serve this dish to Kalim, so it's just a callback to that. This part is really hard since we didn't have a perfect ketchup squeezer bottle that had a thin enough tip.
How did they do it? Blooper!
So we ended up using a Ziploc bag and cut the corner for a makeshift piping bag. Step 5. Fry the egg sunny side up and place it on top of the galette and neatly arrange the vegetables, and we're done. Now it's time for a taste test. It was alright. Like, it's potato and egg. You can't really go wrong with that. One thing I would change, personally, when I'm making it, because like it was the first time making like a hash brown like that, I would have definitely made my potato strips just a little smaller and thinner, like the cookbook did. I will try it again, though, and I want to do it better next time. And the ketchup art part was a really nice touch, and I really liked doing it, even though it was a little tough. If you try it, tell me if you liked it or hate it. Let me know in the comments. And what recipe would you like to see me try next? Let me know. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!